behalf of the DAV School Avali, today we have kickstarted a program with regard to the environmental and society friendly. In the basic sense, we have kept the water for birds. This is a social initiative. As the summer season is going to come in the upcoming months, we all took the idea on behalf of the management, teachers and students and parents. We have come with an innovative idea and we have kickstarted the program. So till the month of June, this program will be continued and keep on updating the things what we will be doing. So based on this, the birds ecosystem and the eco-well, everything will be included, and the environment will also be user friendly for the birds and so on things. This initiative is done in order for the ecological balance, where the humans, birds, animals and everybody plays a key role for the sustainable growth and inclusive development. So thank you.